Hi, welcome to Mamushka's Kitchen. Today we will show you how to clean fruits and vegetables before you can cook. When you go to the market, we buy vegetables, but we do not know the source. Some vegetables are planted in very good soil, and some are planted even in the sewage waters. So when you find vegetables in the market, you can see them to be dirty, but you do not know what kind of dirt it is. It could be just ordinary soil, it could be pesticides, it could be even harmful bacteria. So today we are going to use vinegar to wash the vegetables. You'll have to prepare 3 basins of water. The first basin will put in 1 part of vinegar into 4 parts of water. Soak in vegetables that are similar, like carrots and other tubers together, or fruits together and vegetables together in different categories. So soak in for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes you start scrubbing. Just use a kitchen soft sponge to scrub off any extra dirt. Any visible dirt you can see, scrub it off, make it very clean, so that even when the food is in the house, your child can just come and pick and eat, and you're not afraid that the child is eating dirty food. So wash them one by one, cleaning them and putting them into another basin that has got enough clean water, so that it's well cleaned. And after that, you make sure that you check even if there's any other dirt and remove it clean. Then after you place them in the second basin, soak them again, just wash them again, rinse out, and put into the third basin that has got water. In the third basin, you're actually just ensuring that it is very clean and you're removing any smell or taste of vinegar. Now remove from the third one and place them onto a clean surface or into a receiver, ready to use, to cook, or even to store. Look into the second basin and look into the first basin. Wow, 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 it is dirty. You don't even know what is in that dirt, but at least now your vegetables are clean. You can see the dirt that is in, that you don't see when you're washing. Now it's so clean, safe, and ready to cook, eat, or store. Thank you.